In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete playlist on YouTube app. So first of all, open the YouTube application. You can see over here YouTube has been opened. Tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for history, you'll be able to find this option for playlist. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all of your playlist over here. Simply tap on the playlist that you would like to delete. Now after that, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option delete playlist that you can see at second. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option delete. Now after you do that, you can see over here this particular playlist will be deleted. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you delete playlist on YouTube app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.